Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Mimi Washington and I'm here with another tutorial on how to put on eyelash extensions. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and enjoy the video. So first what you'll need is some great tweezers and with a nice pointy edge. Obviously some lashes. Today I'm using 3D Mink Lashes from LAFLARE. I bought these from the hair store for $3.99. A pair of scissors, some eyeliner. I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. Some mascara. I'm using Mega Fiber Lash from Forever 21. A spoolie, which is optional, as well as some eyelash adhesive. I use hair glue. Don't judge me. I'm a hood chick. This is what I use. So now what you want to do is carefully remove the eyelashes from out of the packaging. If you are too rough with the eyelashes, they will rip. So you really want to be careful on when you're removing the lash. Also, I kind of do this kind of bendy thing with the lash just so I can get it to move around. As you saw, the eyelash doesn't fit my eyes, so what I do is I cut a little bit off of the edge, and now I'm going to eyeline my eyes with the Kat Von D Trooper Black eyeliner. And this is an easy way to help guide where to place the eyelash. So now that that's done, I'm going to add my eyelash adhesive / hair glue to the strip, blow on it a bit so the glue can get a bit tacky. And the first place I place the eyelash is right in the middle, as close to the lash line as I can. Then I start with the outer edge and stick it on, and then I stick the inner edge and make sure I get really close to the lash line so it can look as natural as possible. And once it looks like it's sticking and once it looks like it's on, I just carefully press it against my natural lashes so it's nice and secure. And now I'm going to clip the ends for the other side of the lash. And now I'm adding my hair glue, because you know that's what us hood chicks do. Okay. And I'm giving it a little blow just so the glue can get tacky. And just like on the right eye, I'm going right into the middle with the lash, very close to the lash line as I can. With the left eye, I always have issues with it. It took me like 4 takes just to get this eyelash on nicely and neatly for you guys. But just like on the right eye, I just make sure it's nice and secure on the outer corners of my eyelids first, and then I secure it with my tweezer to make sure it's nice and stuck on. And for the next step, I am going to take a spoolie just to make sure everything is neatly on underneath, because I want no lifting whatsoever. This option is optional, where you can just add a bit of mascara to your bottom lash or even onto your artificial lashes. And there you have it. Nice, quick, and easy way to put on strip 3D Mink Lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe, and like, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.